So, Maurice, what have we learned about the infraction today?
What?
Well, I was going to come out here and use the infraction today, you see.
Yes,
This is nicely modified, great aluminum on the side, helping it stay down, you know.
Yeah.
But when we looked at this, and then we happened to look over at the blue, that body doesn't go with that. Can you please go stand beside that and show people how large that is? Yeah, that's a large vehicle.
Yeah.
Where did the body go?
Dun, dun!
Over here. And then I realized this huge bod right here, well, this cage doesn't go with this. That goes with my Primal RC Raminator, the big racing truck that's right here. So now we know that. What did we notice about that particular cage on this particular setup?
Is that it has the exact same cage as this Raminator body.
It has the exact same hole set up in the back mount, the same width, right here.
There we go.
And right here. So it just happens
to fit together.
To fit on
perfectly.
That.
Like it's a coincidence.
Like, well, it is true.
Massive.
Of course I did it.
Need for scale.
We'll do it outside. Insanity.
Haven't seen this thing around.
Do we agree it looks kind of silly?
Yeah. That's the point.
Isn't that the point? Just to have fun? Did you know that Primal RC is coming out with a new fast car that they have coming up?
I don't believe it's hot out here.
Of course it's hot out here. This thing just got out here.
Yep.
Scale?
Yep.
Look at this kid.
Again, I'm 8 feet tall, so this is 8 feet. No, sorry. About 5 feet tall.
How about a thumbs up? Right on.
I cannot see anything.
I know. Got it. You did a good job. Thank you. The people are thanking you right now, and they're happy to see you, by the way. They never get to see you on the show for some reason, and they're always like, "Where's Mo? What is he doing?"
Seriously?
Yeah, actually, yeah. And what have you been doing with your life?
Well, I've been trying to start a channel. I mean, it only has 4 videos right now, but
Yeah.
I've
What's it called?
A channel. The Biggest Sandbox. It's actually kind of hard to find, but yeah.
That's now people will know. I bet you'll get some subscribers out of that.
I'm friends with RC Sparks.
Go and subscribe to the Biggest Sandbox. It looks goofy, huh?
Not anymore. If you say to someone, this car looks good.
That might be the fastest drop Dodge truck for MCD. I got this car at cardinalracing.com.
I actually have Hot Wheels like this.
Yeah, exactly. It looks like a Hot Wheels.
Yeah, cool. I'm so terrified.
No need, man. The Moe-Hawk is blowing in the wind, dude.
Oh my god.
It looks awesome. Shall we take it to the tennis court and like crash it into the post by accident?
Definitely. That's never happened on this channel before.
I could build some forward fenders for it and close those wheels in.
And still kind of can go on restoring.
It can. If we had different tires, since it's 4-wheel drive, this is actually this type of car itself is actually also used for rally. They have a rally body for it as well.
Do a donut.
The gyro wants to kick in, keep me nice and straight. I'll turn it down, see if I can get it all the way down. Whoa! Gyro off. Oh, can you smell that on the tarmac?
I can.
Wow! That's power. It's literally burning the top rubber right off. Shall we give him a smoke show?
Guess so.
Oh man, it wants to pull.
My God! Broken!
Oh, the tires are nice and heated up now. Let's go rip it.
Perfect!
Look at the Moe-Hawk. So what do you think of this machine so far?
I absolutely love it, actually. I mean, yeah, it does remind me a little bit of one of my Hot Wheels.
Right. Is that a good thing?
With the nice Mecock.
The Moe-Hawk?
Moe-Hawk?
Yeah. So we lost power doing the slow-mo. I went to pull away. What happened?
Well, when you pulled away...
Yeah, we had a power spike.
Correct. And the solder...
Yeah, it is the solder.
The solder...
melted
right through the wire.
It melted away from the bullet connector in one of my 4S batteries there, because we're running 33 volts altogether through these QS8s. Massive power. These are still nice and warm. The MGM ESC and the brushless motor
is completely fine.
Totally fine, but there was so much power moving, it melted the solder.
Correct.
Massive power.
Oh my gosh, thanks, Jeremy.
You know what's right underneath this battery?
I knew it was a battery. No.
Oh, it's the subscribe button.
Oh my gosh.